sit and read and chill. It's a little bit overcast, but the UV is kind of high. Looks like shockingly warm. It's overcast. It's probably 70 degrees. Look at me, Milo. My mom's on the phone in the back. Oh. Okay, so we are off to dinner. We're going to this place in downtown Santa Barbara, and apparently their patio is really nice and they have live music. That will be lovely. I'll take videos as best as I can. It's a new day despite I'm in the same jacket because it's the only one I brought.
Good morning. All right, here we go. Let's go find a coffee.
My best friend Maya is coming down today. My mom was here yesterday, and then Milo and I had a solo moment on Thursday. So it's been really nice. I think I'll leave tomorrow. We're going to this place called Tre Lune for dinner tonight, which is a really, really, really yummy Italian spot in Santa Barbara. Yeah, I think we're just gonna like chill and watch movies and hang out. Yeah, that's kind of the plan. But right now, I got changed. I'm bringing 2 bags because I'm committed to filming and I'm storing my cameras in here. I wanna bring Milo into town and do some shopping and maybe get something to eat because I'm a little hungry. I just kind of want to walk around because it's so gloomy. Yesterday I sat on the beach and I got a little bit of color anyway, but today it's colder, so I don't think I really want to do that. Okay, see you soon. I'm actually back in LA. Sorry, the Santa Barbara portion kind of ended abruptly. I'm going shopping. I want to show you guys my very simple outfit. I'm gonna take this bag with me because I'm in little black sandals. And then while I'm out, even though I've been doing YouTube for 10 plus years, I just can't bring myself to be out in the world and like have my camera out and filming myself and vlogging down the street. Like, I'm so nervous to do that. I get so awkward. So I'm a huge fan of bringing like my work phone, is what I call it, with me places because it takes great videos. It's only used for videos for my YouTube channel, so it's not like anything else that's going on here. I'm obsessed with these Casetify phone straps that I can attach to my phone and then wrap it around me and vlog and get footage and get content and not feel like so awkward. I have a couple that I've picked out from the website. I have this gorgeous black leather one. They have a rope style, so I got this in this stunning light blue. This is one of my favorite colors in the world. I also got this heart chain one that is really cute, and I'm gonna wear it to dinner tonight because I have dinner with my girlfriends, and I feel like this will really dress up an outfit. So like different phone straps for different occasions, which I'm kind of obsessed with. I'm using black leather today because it really goes with the outfit. And then look at this. How cute is that? Isn't this genius? And then when I'm out in the world, it's perfect. So I'm gonna go out shopping with my sister, and I wanna get footage while we're out. We're going to Sephora. I don't know, just walking around. It's so beautiful. We just kinda wanna be outside and walk and do the whole nine. So I'm gonna bring my little phone strap with me, the black leather. It goes great with my big vintage bag, and then I have black Havaianas on. I forgot to say this, so I'm voicing it over really quick, but you guys can go to casetify.com/Olivia Jade to shop my favorite Casetify phone straps. And by clicking my link, you get 10% off your order for a limited time. The Holy Land. I'm only vlogging on this right now so you can see it, but I have been filming on this. I'm headed home. I'll show you what I got from Sephora when we go home. I didn't even need to buy anything, so that's my problem. I'm gonna take Milo for a walk, but I'll show you what I got really fast. So I got this Hourglass powder brush. I got another one of these concealer brushes. I'm obsessed with it. This is the concealer brush I use every day, so I picked up another one. I got the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, and I got it in like the Sun Glow shade and then the normal shade. This bronzer situation. I'm really excited to try Tower 28's concealer. This is in the shade EP. I got the brush to go with the bronzer. So that's my makeup haul. And then for fashion, we just went into Reformation up the street from Sephora, and I got this set with like a matching skirt. This little red skirt that looks like this, and it has a little matching bra top. I will put an overlay of me wearing this. I'm not gonna do that right now. Well, when you see this, it'll all just be in it, but just know it was filmed at a different time. I'm gonna put my workout stuff on and take Milo for a walk. You wanna go? Your walk. I know you're really excited. I just got ready for dinner, and I'm gonna use my little silver chain phone strap, and also look at the back. Ready for dinner. I honestly might change into denim shorts, though. I feel like it could be kind of cute with this. So the outfit's really leggy. I haven't decided. The skirt's cool though. I can't tell. Also, excuse this mess. Excuse everything. I'm so sorry. How fun this chain looks. We're driving to Nobu. I know it looks like angelic. I kind of had to rush out the door. Bella was pounding on my front door like, we have to go. So you saw my cute little phone strap outfit. I didn't have time to put shorts on, and and now we're heading
She
there.
looks cute though. What shorts were you gonna wear?
Just like those rough blue denim shorts. Just casual.
No, we're going to dinner. That's so not Carrie of you.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. I have a delivery coming right now for the office space. It's a little messy because that's an ad I need to film, so it's all kind of put out there, and then tripod and whatnot. But my chair is coming. It's like this beautiful green big chair, and it's gonna go right there. I don't know if you can tell. It's like this green velvet. It looks really nice with everything. My nails are so shit right now. Sorry, somebody's gardening. But I'm gonna try these Olive and June press-ons. Done these before, but a really long time ago. This red is cool. I think I might do that. Sorry, this tripod kind of sucks, so it keeps falling, but this is the medium length. This one I did a little lopsided, but... Okay, I just got in the car. I'm going to the grocery store now, so I thought I'd bring you with me. I have to get like chicken, avocado, eggs, stuff to make dinner. I need to get firewood and fire starters as well. And then we want to bake a dessert tonight that's like this gluten-free dessert. I mean, it still has sugar. It's not supposed to be like entirely healthy, but I have to get some of the ingredients for that. I just got to the market. I hope I take my camera out. I normally don't. I get in there and I'm like, absolutely not. Let's go. I filmed a little on my phone, but I got everything in here. I saw this almond flour pizza dough. I didn't have firewood. Sus. And they didn't have fire starter either. Well, actually I didn't check for fire starter, so I just lied. Can this car behind me just be a little patient? That would be freaking awesome. Am I still recording? Oh, yep. I'm going home. See you there. I actually think I might have firewood. I just don't know if I have fire starter. I have the Duraflame logs, but I know those are so bad for you. Oh, there's a gas station right around the corner. I wonder if they have firewood and fire starter. They definitely do. Should I go check? Should I go check? Nah, I know I have firewood. I know it.
Please don't be weird. I'm eating Cheerios. That's so mean.
Okay, this is the recipe. It's from this girl on Instagram. Hope and hummus. Doesn't that look insane?
So I made this sweater.
That'll be $2.
What? I didn't say buy it, I just said I made it.
For what? And you get 2 angles. Cause I'm fucking awesome at YouTube.
long time to
Oh,
build.
it really does though.
Oh, a good fire takes a long time to build. This is you going around the fire pit. Salad brat. A good fire takes a long time to build. A good fire takes a long time to build.
You look like Adam Sandler. Cause what I say, folks, a good fire takes a long time to build. Is that the moon? Whoa.
Yeah.
That's so pretty. Is this worth grabbing my camcorder for some artsy shots? Probably. Right? For some cinematic?
Can you get the moon?
I'm really good at doing abrupt endings, I've realized, but I'm ending my video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. Bye.